What are you eating?
I'm eating lollipop.
Do you like lollipop?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Are you feeling better now?
Yeah.
No, tell Tita and Tito because they're worried about you. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Yes?
Now, kasi, now I'm going to jump plane now.
Yeah, we can go on a trampoline because Paris is better. Ayan. You want Tito to come?
Yes.
Go, Tito na!
Tito!
Go! Louder!
Tito!
Oh, sorry. Again!
Tito!
Come!
Come.
Show me your teeth, Paris. We will fix it, okay?
Alright.
Okay, close your eyes. How are you feeling?
I feel sick.
You're feeling sick? Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Maulan na hapon sa ating lahat. It is Friday and yes, thanks God, it's Friday. It's currently 5:15 ng hapon. And as you can see, nandito ako sa sasakyan without Daddy Mike and Baby Paris because meron tayong appointment ngayong hapon. So, kakapark ko lang dito guys sa harapan ng ating hairdresser. Ayan. So, yan yung gagawin natin this afternoon guys. Magpapagupit tayo ng buhok kasi gusto ko lang magpagupit ng buhok. I can't even remember the last time na nagpagupit ako ng buhok guys. Kaya tingnan nyo, ang aking buhok ay napakahaba na and sobrang dry niya rin kasi wala na siyang alaga. Ayan oh, parang ikog ng kabayo. Ayan. I know recently lang ako nagpakulay pero hindi ako nagpagupit ng buhok. So the same pa rin yung length ng buhok ko. And nag-decide ako na magpagupit ako ng buhok guys kasi since I feel pregnant, parang wala akong ganang mag-ayos ng sarili ko guys. I think napansin nyo naman siguro yan sa mga videos ko. Yung mga vlogs ko recently na wala akong ayos, yung buhok ko parang kiber lang sa akin, parang wala akong ginagawa na sobra the same as before na parang kinukulot-kulot ko, pinaplansya ko, ganun, walang ganun guys. And also wala akong makeup like ngayon, walang makeup, diba? Kasi ewan ko, wala lang talaga akong gana guys. And I think it is because of the morning sickness. At the moment, we're still 12 weeks pregnant guys. Kaya yung morning sickness still hanging around. And dahil siguro nasusuka ako, wala akong energy. So wala talaga akong ganang mag-ayos ng sarili ko. Anyways, the other night, nag-scroll ako online. Tapos, gamit ko yung app na Groupon, guys. So, yun yung ginagamit ko kapag gusto kong, ang tawag dito, bumili ng mga beauty services na cheap kasi they provide, parang cheaper pricing kumpara sa direkta sa shop. So, I'm very good at online shopping guys and all that. Parang sobrang ko talaga ang tawag dito, very madiskarte ako pagdating sa mga online shopping na ganyan guys. So anyways, nakita ko tong yung voucher for repair, treatment, haircut, and blow wave. Ayan. So yun yung nakita ko guys and I think that's what I need right now kasi yung buhok ko sobrang dry and minsan nga ayaw ko siyang hawakan guys, kaya hindi ko sinusuklay or anything like that, especially kapag nagtatrabaho na, sobrang busy na rin. And when I feel like it's very, guys, very hard, sinuklay ko siya ngayon para hindi naman tayo mahiya sa hairdresser. Yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. I can't wait. Hindi naman sa papuputulan ko yung buhok na sobrang short talaga. I think I'm just gonna request for parang layered lang na hair. So, I want to maintain the length, keep the length as much as possible. Parang yung mga split ends ganun. Pero yung dito sa may ibabaw, medyo lagyan natin siya ng layers para magiba naman yung mukha natin. Very convenient din guys kasi it's only 6 minutes away from home. And yeah, very quick lang yung pag-drive and all. So, this is Warrigal Road, guys. Main road talaga to siya, kaya ayan, sobrang daming sasakyan. Meron palang mapaparkan dito, guys. Oh, doon pa ako nagpark. And this is where I'm going. Nadine. Let's go in. Ay, walang tao. Oh, no worries.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It is now 6:54 ng gabi. Ayan. So, this is it, pansit. Ayan na ang ating new look, guys. Ang ating hair, bagong hair. Ayan. Alam nyo guys, it feels so good kapag pumupunta ako ng hairdresser, guys. Especially now, I feel like sobrang gaan ng ulo ko kasi nagpa-treatment tayo, 'di ba? So ang ating hair hindi na masyadong dry. Ayan. So may ano na siya, parang may moisture. Ayan. Tapos mahaba pa rin siya, guys, pero pinalagyan ko lang siya ng layers. So ayan, meron na siyang mga layers. Ito, oh, 'di ba? Short dito. Ayan. So that's it. And you know what, guys, it smells so good. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang amoy. Anyways, I'm super happy, guys, that I've done that one. And you know what? As mentioned sa inyo, diba, kanina, I got that voucher from the app Groupon. So I only paid, ano ba yan, guys? So the name of the place that I went to, it's Nadine's Hair and Beauty, and she's super amazing. Like, obviously she knows what she's doing, and sobrang friendly niya, guys. And that's what I really like about like hairdressers, guys, kapag very friendly sila, like kinakausap ka nila. And kasi may mga hairdressers na parang kiber, yung parang wala lang, like they do your hair and then you go out and that's it. But it's good to have that conversation during the process and all. Sobrang na-enjoy mo yung time mo doon. But yes, sorry, talking about the price. The repair treatment with wash, cut, and blow wave. Normal price nito ay, I think it was, yeah, 130 yung original price. Pero yung Groupon price is $58. So that is more than half of the price. So yeah, $58 lang siya, guys. And because sabi ko naman sa inyo, guys, very wise ako pagdating sa mga online na mga ganyan. So I also use the app Shopback, so you get some of your money back. So I think with Groupon, sometimes they do 7 to 10% off. So you'll pay the full amount, pero 7 or 10% will go back to your account, which is really, really good. And also, guys, pag bumibili ako sa Groupon, parang tina-timing ko na meron silang mga promotional codes. So this one, so instead of like 58, yeah, I think 58 Australian dollars, meron silang 20% yata. I don't know how many percent off na promotional code na ginamit ko, but I ended up paying $49. Oh, diba? So for that price, guys, ito na yung na-achieve natin, yung ating hair. Soft na siya, and then meron na siyang layers. So parang bago na sa ating paningin, and hopefully this will help, you know, lift up our mood. Kasi alam niyo, ang ating nausea, ating morning sickness, like just drags us down, guys. Like sobrang nakakawala ng gana, nakaka-drain ng energy. That's why sometimes you need stuff like this para you feel good again. Now we're gonna go home. We're gonna see Daddy Mike and Paris now. For sure Paris is awake. I'm actually gonna call Daddy Mike quickly and see if gusto niyang magdala ako ng dinner, guys. Wala mang sagot, guys. Hayaan mo na. Uwi na lang tayo. And then we'll go from there. We might just do Uber Eats.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nandito na ako sa bahay and you know what? Kaya pala hindi sumagot yung ating Daddy Mike kanina. Kasi pagkadating ko dito sa bahay, tulog pa silang dalawa. But they are now awake. Honey, what are you eating?
I'm eating lollipop.
Do you like lollipop?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Wait! Tingnan nyo ang kanyang buhok ay wet guys, oh. Kasi, nire-ready nila yung bath. Are you going to have a bath?
Yeah.
With
With
Daddy and toys. Yes? But we're gonna have dinner first, correct?
No, no, no.
Oh, no. Ayan, so liliguan namin siya guys kasi yung buhok niya, ayan, sobrang magkadikit. Oh, pikit paspilit. Because, pinaglaruan niya yung yung para sa hair ko kanina. Kaya ayan, tingnan nyo, ang kanyang buhok, malagkit na malagkit. Unlike Mommy's, yeah, Mommy's hair is nice na ko. Do you like my hair na? Are you sure? Do you like it? What's your feedback? Tell me.
It's my bigger box.
Is this beautiful?
Yes, it's my bigger box.
What is it?
It's my bigger box.
Do you like my hair? Yes? Beautiful? Beautiful hair? Do you like it?
No.
Yeah. 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 Sabi niya kanina, she likes though guys, it's beautiful. Do you like my hair, Daddy? Yeah. Ayan oh. Parang feel ko ibang tao ako ngayon guys kasi you know, bago ating hair. Anyways. Nag-order pala ako ng guys, ng ang tawag dito, ng Uber Eats. Nag-order ako ng salmon chahan. So yun yung fried rice na salmon yung sahog, 'di ba? Favorite ko yun. Tinanong ko si Daddy Mike kung gusto niya. Meron kasi siyang mga pagkain na in-order niya online, guys, yung mga healthy food niya ba. So yun, ako na lang, maghati kami ni Paris. Isn't that right, honey? Oh, gosh. Paris is actually feeling better now, guys. You feeling better na?
Yeah.
No, tell tita and tito, because they're worried about you. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. No, kasi, now I'm going to jump play now.
Yeah, we can go on a trampoline because Paris is better. No more, how do you call it? Cold in the nose?
Yeah, it's no germs.
No more germs. Alam niyo yung ginawa namin guys, kasi diba sinabi ko sa inyo na yung niresita ng doktor is yung tinatawag nila na nose irrigation. So kahapon we did it twice to Paris. So parang yung liquid ba, pinupugsit-pugsit ganyan sa ilong tapos na makiklear, lumalabas yung parang mga masamang kaluluwa, yung mga greenish stuff sa ilong guys, lumalabas dito. Tapos ito na naman, tapos dito lalabas. So it wasn't fun. Paris was crying when we did that to her. Obviously, it's very uncomfortable para sa kanyang ilong guys, but we told her we had to do it kasi it's for her own sake. And after that, she slept well last night. Hindi na siya, yun bang ilong niya, ganun, pag it makes that weird noise kapag natutulog siya. So last night, clear na yung ilong niya. Although, this morning again, yung pag-uubo niya guys, it's because of the sipon nga. It's not the phlegm. Wala siyang phlegm sa kanyang lungs, guys. Yun yung sabi ng doktor. So, na-irritate yung kanyang dito sa likuran, kaya nauubo siya. And it sounded like meron siyang phlegmas. Wala talaga. Yes, honey? Hinihintay ko pa si kuya, guys, kasi gutom na ako, guys. You have to wait, anak. You gotta have a shower with daddy. Hi, daddy.
Bath.
Shower, bath.
Not the bath first. Come on.
Bath, honey.
But we gotta wait for the water to get cooler. Cause
Yeah,
very
it's still hot. We still have to eat. Come on, princess. And alam nyo guys, it's been raining all day today. Tingnan nyo, sobrang wet sa labas. Oh.
You did it first?
Hindi siya masyadong maginaw talaga, pero it's been raining. I think it will be like this for the next few days. Ayan. You want Tito to come?
Yes.
Go, Tito na!
Tito!
Go! Louder! Again!
Tito!
You guys, iba talaga guys, no? Kapag iba yung kanyang pakiramdam ba, you can really tell the difference na she's getting better now. Can you sing a song, please? For mommy.
Give me. Watch.
What is that? Are you beautiful? Uy. Are you beautiful?
Yes, Mom.
Where? Are you going to school next week?
Yes, next week not.
Yeah. Do you miss school? Your teacher and your friends?
Yes, on my window and book lesson.
Yeah, you didn't go this week, did you?
I got.
But you're better now, so you can go.
Check it out and jumping.
In the trampoline, yeah. We can go visit Jake, yes? When we're 100%. We still have cold. But at least, right? Tingnan nyo, hindi siya matamlay tingnan. Ang kanyang mata, yung sparkle ng kanyang mata, it's starting to come back na. Baba, baba! Paris! Paris! Oh guys, kaka-upload ko lang pala. It's nearly 8 o'clock. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload. Hi! Anyways, hopefully, may manonood. May manonood pa rin, guys. Ayan na siya. Tito is yun na. Hello! Hello? Pick it up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks. Wow, you gonna eat? Here it is, guys. Can you open it up? Please?
No, we're holding.
Open.
No.
Sobrang init pa talaga, guys.
No.
Wow! It's fried rice. Yummy, yum, yummy.
Alright. Big one.
Kaya mo dali pagpakain. They have to play.
That's a big one.
That's a big... Wow! It's so strong.
Yeah, that is done. Okay, big one. Big one.
Galing, daddy. Uy! Eat it properly na.
Chew.
I'm a dentist, Paris. I'm here to check your teeth. Okay? Ala, ang sipon, oh. Be wipe the nose, be.
Dentist. That's a swap.
Wipe first. Show me your teeth, Paris. We will fix it, okay?
Oh, what?
Okay, close your eyes. How are you feeling?
I feel sick.
You're feeling sick?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna see your doctor.
I'm a doctor. I'll check your heart. I'm a doctor. I have a stethoscope.
Mommy,
Thumping
can
on
I
the
have a
chest. There's a breathing heart.
My get Manito.
What is it now?
Manito. Manito.
Needle?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put needle. Be.
Can I have tiny pictures?
Temperatures?
Yes.
Get your temperatures, be.
Mama, out there in my mouth.
In your mouth, okay. I have to find my thermometer.
I found it.
Okay, go find it. Time check! It's now 9 o'clock and kakatapos lang ng ating baby girl mag-bath with daddy. Nak, did you have a bath with daddy, Mike? Baba, did you have a bath with daddy?
Yes.
Are you feeling fresh now?
Yeah.
What's wrong with your hand? What's wrong with your hand? Okay. Alright. Dito na aming microphone kasi si Paris ay kakanta. What song would you like to sing, Miss Paris? Paris Nicole? What song would you like to sing?
And from the
Which new song?
Yes.
Can you please sing the new song?
No. I did that.
Why not?
Because I never go.
Sorry?
I saw it on a musical.
Pardon?
And that's what? Papa?
What did you say, Nak?
That's what you say, party.
Yeah, I know. Can you please sing a song for Mama?
No.
Allah. You sing the song for Mama now. You give me everything, everything you give
No,
me.
no.
Why not?
Because we got a bird.
Guys, I'm super happy to have this. Unti-unti nang bumabalik ang energy.
Go.
Ga. Ga.
Then push.
Push.
About this.
What is it?
About this button of the baby shark.
Oh, baby shark. Okay. Nak, what did Lola say?
He said, hi, little darling.
Hi, little darling. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about Papa? What did Papa say?
I said, hi.
How about Nana?
I said, hi.
How about Lolo Jeff? Use that one, Nak. What did Lola say?
I said, hi, little darling.
Hi, little darling. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Again.
Hi, little darling.
Again.
Can I keep it?
Again.
Hi, little darling. Hi, little darling.
That one. Yeah.
Hi, little darling.
Again.
Hi, little darling.
Guys, we're going to bed soon. Kaya i-end na natin yung vlog natin. No music. Reconnect ang aking phone sa guys. Sa microphone. Nakakonect kasi yung yung Bluetooth.
Hi, little darling.
I-end na natin yung vlog natin dito guys para makatulog na tayo. I don't know if matutulog to. Tingnan nyo. Kasi late siyang nag-nap kanina. Kanina pag uwi ko nga 7 o'clock, tulog na tulog pa.
Hi, little darling. Hi, little darling. Twinkle, twinkle, darling. Hi, little darling.
Hello. But before natin i-end guys, we will do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Norhaya dapat. Hi Nor. Hi sa imo diha. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Aywa Blar and also sa kanyang anak na kambal, Isa and Ella. Shout out to Ruby Berol from Iloilo. Sally Saminiano from Pulangi, Bicol. Calvin Burinaga. Yes. Shout out to Mylene Franco from Pampanga. Shout out to Aroma Tea. Ivy Pakleb. Christine Namayan. And shout out daw sa Aklan. Aklan, sa inyong Aklan. Yes, my love. Come on, let's end the vlog now. Shout out to Yet Balino, Lovela Ragdok, Madeline Dimanlig, Constancia Alcantara, Charity Tamayo, Elvira Sungalia, Lulit Evasco, Mami Rose Abalye, hello po Mami Rose, Lolita La Cuesta, Remy Torres, and Digna Villavicencio. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.